Phrase 1. Off chance. Meaning. Slight possibility. Example. I need your phone number on the off chance I need more help. There's an off chance that we might be hiring next month. Phrase 2. Have an easy time of it. Meaning. To have an experience with something that is less difficult or severe than others have experienced. Example. We were given a hard assignment, but Fred had an easy time of it. Phrase 3. Put one's neck on the line. Meaning. To put oneself at great risk. Example. I put my neck on the line and recommended you for the job, and now look what you've done. I'm ruined. Phrase 4. Tickle the ivories. Meaning. To play the piano. Example. She sat down to tickle the ivories for a while. I used to be able to tickle the ivories real nice. Phrase 5. I've been keeping myself busy. Meaning. A standard response to a greeting inquiry asking what one has been doing. Example. Bill, what have you been doing? Bob, I've been keeping myself busy. What about you? Bill, about the same. John, yo. What have you been up to? Bill, been keeping myself busy. Phrase 6. Sort oneself out. Meaning. To pull oneself together. To figure out what to do about one's problems. Example. I need a few days to sort myself out. I need some time to sort myself out. Phrase 7. Run a temperature. Meaning. To have a body temperature higher than normal. To have a fever. Example. I ran a fever when I had the flu. The baby is running a temperature and is grouchy. Phrase 8. Come in and set a spell. Meaning. Please come in and have a seat and a visit. Example. Hi, Fred, smiled Tom, come in and sit a spell. Tom, I hope I'm not intruding. Bill, not at all. Come in and set a spell. Phrase 9. Arrive at the scene of something. Meaning. To reach the location of an event in progress. Example. What did they do when they arrived at the scene? They arrived upon the scene of a frightening accident. The police arrived on the scene of the crime. Phrase 10. In character. Meaning. Typical of someone's behavior. Example. For Tom to shout that way wasn't at all in character. He's usually quite pleasant. It was quite in character for Sally to walk away angry.